Good puppies. We're out here, Toby, Lucy and I today, and what we're doing is just getting ready for a carport. I should call it a tractor port. Basically, want to put the tractor underneath this carport as well as the side-by-side, some other stuff instead of putting it underneath the deck. So we just cranked some posts in the ground, some of these T-posts. So we got some T-posts here. I just first got the corner posts in, measured them off. It's not perfectly square. I actually left about a couple extra feet. What I'm really going for is I'm trying to get, with these carports, they just need an area that's level on both sides. So I'm trying to make both sides here completely level. You can see I needed to bring in quite a bit of dirt here. So I pulled out of that corner right there quite a bit of dirt and put it here. Right now I'm just cutting out where the string needs to go on this one to get it level. This bottom marker on the T-post, actually the bottom of where this is right here, where I painted, that little green line, that's my marker for everything. So I went off that and pulled a string level like this one. And I've actually got a little bit of grade. I'm grading this out about 1 inch. So from this corner here, all the way to that corner will be about 2 inches. This one's about 1. As you can see here, the grade kind of goes out that way. So I want this corner to be graded down about 2 inches. This one's about 1 inch. And then all together, I think it'll be where I need it to be. But before, this was actually quite off, and now it's starting to look like it's semi-level. I'm gonna pack it down, and then I'm gonna take the gravel over there, and I'll put the gravel first in the 2-foot slots where the carport bottom bar will be. So I'm just gonna fill each trench about 2 inches full of gravel. Then I'll get the rest of the gravel inside underneath the carport for what I have left over. But I just want to get what it's anchored on to be really kind of firm and packed down. So keep you guys up with the progress. Getting a carport installed today. And there's the site where they're gonna throw it in. Squaring it up over here. These guys are popping these in, assembling them together. Right now they're just getting it leveled out all the way around so they can shim it up. And they've got these anchors here that they'll be putting in a little bit. Just checking the level on each string now.
¿Cuánto la quieren? Un poquito más. Ah, vamos a hacer más mejor. Bájale un poquito. Ahí me lo ponen.
They leave these undone till they get everything squared up, then they'll come back in and screw these in. So the 4 posts are squared up, and now they got the middle post all squared up on the string. Hace muy bien trabajo. Buen equipo. Yeah, so these are starting to bend. The ground's too hard right now. They go down a good solid 2 or 3 feet. Are those 3 feet? 2 feet?
3 feet.
3 feet. You can see it starts to heat up and fatigue and bend. So we got them in there a good solid 2 feet. We're going to bend them down and then attach it. So there's the finished product there. And you can see I can fit quite a bit in there. This is got my tractor, a couple 4-wheelers. I am going to be doing building a pole barn out and back, but you can put plenty in there right now, so I'm pretty happy with it. Got some implements here for the tractor that I need to get covered here soon, but we're figuring this all out as we go. But there she is.